Hi guys, welcome to using Giphy.com. This is our tutorial on using the web-based tool Giphy to insert your GIFs or GIFs, depending on your selected pronunciation. So the first thing we're going to do is start with an internet tab here. And if you just do a quick search for Giphy, G-I-P-H-Y, or you can visit Giphy.com. This is my preferred go-to for using and creating GIFs. There are some other options out there. I think this one's pretty easy to use. Just a warning, and I put it in the text there, but it does have, adult content or things that we wouldn't maybe consider for schools. I don't mean, nudity, but what I do mean is certainly as you scroll through and start to look at the GIFs that are there, you'll see, there might be some language issues or things like that. So just be aware of that. If you're allowing students to use this tool to, if you're like at the vocabulary challenge or you're having them create one of their own. So just a heads up there. Just some general orientation here. Here's a search bar. So let's say I want to do one. Let's say I'm interested in a GIF about cats. I can just do a quick search. You can see then all kinds of these pop up, and you can scroll through them there. Also here at the top, there are some menus, reactions. These are real popular ones that show up then at the top. If you come over here to the three dots, it pops up with all the different categories and things there, including their stickers. Stickers might not be something you're aware of, but stickers have this transparent background, so you can actually lay these stickers like on top of your images that are there. The other thing over here in the top right hand corner, you can see I'm logged in. Logging in has several benefits, including if there are GIFs that you use a lot, you can add them to your favorites menu, and you can find them quickly then to use them. You can also then check your settings and do different things as well. So that's just sort of some general orientation about using Giphy. Again, the search bar, the login features, those sorts of things. Also then, when you do, in fact, let's say, find a GIF that you're interested in using, let's say, again, we want to do, I'm a big fan. I love The Office. So let's say I want to do one for The Office. I like this one. When I want to use it, I have several options here. So I can favorite that, which adds it to my favorites menu. I can copy the link. And so there's different links here. And so you'll see later on in some of our tutorials where we will use those links. So this is where I get the links. I also have different media links here. So depending on the tool that you're using, it may want a specific kind of link. So that's why there are so many. You can also, here's the embed code if you want to put that on a website. So if you are somebody who uses Google Sites, this is the code you're going to want for embedding that. And lastly, you can also right click on the image and you can actually save that image. So you can physically download the GIF and save it. And so you'll see here, I've got a few already saved in this folder and you can name those. And that will actually then physically put that GIF on your computer versus just copying the link into, say, a Google Doc or Google Slide. And we'll look at how to do that down the road. But that's sort of just the general orientation, the search bar, the logins, as well as then some of these menu features over here when you find the one that you want to use. Thanks.